expect tomorrow. We are definitely looking forward to those bouts. Now, let's get to some football action, and it's all about the local football league. We have a couple of matches on the cards, and today Mara Sugar is taking on Bandari at a Wendo match that is already currently going on. Nairobi United will be in action at Tandora Stadium at 3 p.m. They will be facing Sofapaka, and Kariobangi Sharks at 4 p.m. will be taking Shabana, a team that has lost 3 matches in a row. Tomorrow, we have 6 matches on the cards. Kakamega Homeboys will be taking on Tusker. Bidco will be in action against APS Bomet. Kenya Police will be taking on Posta Rangers, and the other fixtures will see FC Leopards in action against Mathare. Muranga Seal host KCB as Gor Mahia take on Ulinzi Stars. Now, FC Leopards will be taking on Muranga Seal, but our focus will be on KCB. They lost last week to FC Leopards, and let's listen in to what the assistant captain Humphrey Mieno as well as the coach Robert Matano have to say on the expectations in tomorrow's fixture.
Right now I can say the confidence level is not that high because of the back-to-back losses. But the good thing is that we are really focused and trying to come up and focus on the next match. Yes, the preparations are going on very well. The coach is trying to come up with tactics to face the next opponent, and we are trying also to build from what we had the other matches, like the mistakes, try to correct the mistakes, and try to come up with a proper tactical approach to face our next opponent. Yeah. And say having injuries is part of the game. And I think those who are going to call up for the task, I think they are ready. And you can see from the training, the way they are really pushing in training, because everyone is just trying to give his level best. Hopefully, we're going to get a good, the coach is going to pick a good side, because everyone is equally good in the team. So we just hope that when the coach picks up the squad, we'll be ready and up for the task, and hopefully we'll get the 3 points.
Expectation is always to play and win every match. And we lost 2 matches in a row. It's very painful, but nothing we can do now. It's behind our back. We are focusing about the coming matches. But the closest match is about Muranga. It's going to be a tough match because they have been losing. So I think that's like final game now. Every team has to win. But mentally, physically, tactically, I think the players are coming up and they understand the challenge ahead of them, and also where we want to go and where to be. So I think they are ready for the challenge.
Yeah, so that is Humphrey Mieno as well as Robert Matano speaking on what to expect tomorrow as KCB hopes to bounce back when they take on Muranga Seal at the Sportpesa Arena. And remember, the other match that will be on the card will see Gor Mahia take on Ulinzi Stars. FC Leopards will be in action against Mathare United. Now, let's take a look at how the table is, who's on top and who's at the bottom. Remember, Kakamega Homeboys have 13 points. They're on top of the league. And then they're followed by Gor Mahia, who have 12 points. Posta Rangers have 11 points. They have played 6 matches. Bidco United have 10 from 5 they've played. FC Leopards with 9 points with 5 from the 5 matches they played. Tusker at number 6 with 8 points. I remember they started the league on a shaky path, but they seem to have streamlined it. Shabana with 7 points, Mathare with 7, Nairobi United 6, KCB 6, Mara Sugar 6, Bandari with 5. And the other bottom placed teams that we have on the log, Sofapaka with 5, Kariobangi Sharks with 5, Ulinzi Stars with 5, Kenya Police with 4, Muranga with 4, and APS Bomet with 3 points. That is the Sportpesa League standing so far. APS Bomet at the bottom of the league, and Kakamega Homeboys at the summit of the league. Remember, we had asked you a very simple question on the Sportpesa League, which is the only unbeaten team in the 2025-2026 Sportpesa League season. Which team is yet to lose a match in the 2025-2026 Sportpesa League season? The first 2 correct answers get to walk away with the Sportpesa merchandise. You can tweet to us at @Kenya, at KTN News KE, and you can also SMS. The number is 2215. 1. So we take a short break. When we come back, we'll be taking a look at what is happening in the English Premier League, as well as taking a look at Kenya's strongest man and Wamalwa first. Stephen Wamalwa will be here and will be telling us why he's Kenya's strongest man and why he's decided to begin his festival of trying to get the strongest people that we have in the country. That will be after the break.